Boy, oh boy, oh boy. What is going on in the Caribbean? Now, St. Lucia, wanna catch my eye now. Wanna catch my eye, dog, because of some of the things we are going down there. Cause I did think say everything cool out, but right now it seems like St. Lucia is the next hotspot.
We pledge ourselves
LUCIA
to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness we say. The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets. And the road is a lunchtime.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Yo, St. Lucia. I want to look on that picture here. You see that man there, him headless, and the police them find him body last Thursday, and the whole of Viewfort is in fear. People silent. Now, there's a lot of talk going around town that Bowler and some other people might be involved in this thing here. But one thing me I say, dog, St. Lucia, shame pound. I was on a St. Lucia website and a couple people were talking about the man yesterday with the missing head, and they made a couple comments, but one comment that stood out to me was that St. Lucia is turning into a little Jamaica. And you know what? I agree with him very much so. But what's baffling to me, what is really baffling to me about St. Lucia, them have more money than Jamaica. Them have enough more things that go on because them dollars stronger. So I am trying to figure out why all this killing. Why the man them not make some money, get a career, make some money, whatever. But why all this killing? And it's sad to say, but it's moving towards being a little Jamaica. Now, look what this person have to say. And this is on one of the news websites while I was doing my research. The person said, St. Lucia quickly turning into little Jamaica. And guess what? It's none of our business. So, other people feel that way. You see what I'm saying? Now, the weird thing about this, they had a conference on crime, and it's all the bigwigs. That's the picture of them right there. I guess Pierre Chestnut, Anthony, and another one named Stephen King, and they had this big discussion about crime, and nothing come about it. But I want to remind you guys about an incident that happened in St. Lucia, and a Jamaican judge that was in St. Lucia, they tried to assassinate her, and that happened, and other things happened, and the Jamaican police was called to St. Lucia to investigate the police department over there. And the Jamaican police came up with the report saying that St. Lucia is a very, very corrupted place. And the customs officer them, along with the politician and the police, is very corrupt. But let me show you something. Now, this is a follow-up, and if you look at it, it's October 2023. The headless body that the police them find, you to lay down, and you see, this is him right here. Police still can't identify who this young man is. Now, St. Lucia is a very small country, and everybody knows everybody pretty much, or know a person who know a person. And you want to tell me nobody will step forward? Now a lot of people is saying that this guy is mixed up in drugs and some other things with gangs, and you know Bolo, and you see them kill Messi. A lot of things going on, and I'm gonna deep dive down into St. Lucia, because when I check out certain things, I was flabbergasted, just like Trinidad and just like St. Vincent. You see what I'm saying? And we're not even gonna talk about Jamaica, because that's the #1 hotspot. But yeah, the man them start do the cut off head thing now in St. Lucia, unfortunately. You see what I'm saying? And it's a tourism place, but it seems like the violence down there is getting out of control. Look at this. You see those 3 young people? They were killed in a triple murder. In the summer. This summer that just went by. Can you believe that? St. Lucia is having a lot of triple murder, a lot of double murder. They might kill a lot of females. Whole heap of things are going on at St. Lucia. So, I'm gonna start deep dive down in St. Lucia. But yeah, I'm gonna round this video up. Headless man found in St. Lucia. And guess what? Them still don't identify him. Pretty strange. Where's his family? What is the police don't get a fingerprint? Very, very scary. So listen, I have some other things coming up too. Because guess what? The man them did chill out in Belize. But now the man them start act up at the place, and I go deep dive in a Belize too. Now, Shotty Mark and the boy Junglist from Barbados. We're not done with Uno. We're not done with Uno. And also, couple little man out of Trinidad. You have a little tomato them called Bang Him Smurf. Him put out a flop movie, and I'm gonna talk about it. With that said, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out. St. Lucia, turn up.